Looking to build a budget gaming and productivity PC under 50,000 rupees? Let's break it down. For the CPU, go with AMD Ryzen 55600. 6 cores, great performance, and budget-friendly. Pair it with a B550 motherboard, solid for upgrades. For graphics, the NVIDIA RTX 3058GB is perfect. Smooth 1080p gaming, even handles some 1440p titles. Add 16GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz for multitasking, and a 500GB NVMe SSD, fast boot times, quick loading. For power, a reliable 550-watt PSU, and a budget mid-tower case with good airflow. Total cost? Around 48,000 to 50,000 rupees, and you get a balanced build for gaming, editing, and everyday use. Smash like if you want me to make a detailed shopping list for this build, and follow @ToolTonic for more PC tips.